Alrighty, YouTubers, we are here. It is Tuesday the 27th, the last few days of this month. We have another Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can get one at a low cost. Click on the link down below. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime. And it's coming from Mirza. Let's see what's inside. Here comes a cut. Oh. There we go. Bada boom. Then, a little tricky one right here. I see something. Bam. What do we have here? Oh, alright. We got from ELEGIANT. Boom. Wireless Bluetooth headphones. Oh, yeah. Awesome, awesome. And like I said, links are going to be down below. We can get a pair of these. And, great for the gym, workouts, walking the dog, listening to the game on your headphones, on your TV, or on your cell phone, Android, iPhones. Nice little, drop you guys down. Nice little traveling case comes with. Comes with the clip. There you go. You got some extra earbuds. Along with the USB. And here, these are nice and magnetic. I thought they were. Here they are. These are not too bad at all. Here's what one of them looks like. Got the Bluetooth there. There we go. These are really nice. Nice, flexible. Here's the other one. Oh yeah, see. Boom. So like I said, YouTubers, you guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. Check them out. And get these fastly shipped to you at a low cost. And these are really good sound. Definitely nice quality, clear, and easy to store. A nice little tote. And USB charge right there. This is a different kind of charge. So let's see the runtime. How many hours? I'm not sure on that. But easy to set up for the Bluetooth. I gotta just hit the Bluetooth button and it connects. Should this automatically turn on? There it goes. This works. Yeah. There we go. Nope. There we go. It works. Here we go. Charging time is 1 to 2 hours. Standby time is 1900 hours. Talk time 8 to 10 hours. Version 4.2 Bluetooth. CSR Bluetooth chip. Optimal Bluetooth performance. Multiple call handling. Play and pause. Stereo audio. Mono. And on the top there's the skip the next track. So really good stuff right here. And a really good deal. All you gotta do is click the link down below. Give these a try. You might have enough time for Easter. If you order it today, you might get it by Sunday. Oh yeah, you definitely get it by Sunday if you order these today. And nice little Easter basket gift for the Easter bunny. Get someone a pair of these. So really good quality headphones. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. have a good one. I only got one video today, so keep it short, and you guys have a good one. See ya.